classical. This goes first.
I guess we'll remember the first time that we kissed. Always wanna feel like this, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this. Just another memory. I don't wanna go. I guess we'll remember the first time that we kissed. Always wanna feel like this, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this. Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and
of you and me. You never know until it's over. Message from the heart. And so you need another lover. Just tear it apart. You didn't really want to take you far. Probably in heaven, right away the bar. Waiting and fighting, cash is just no way to let you can get out of the sky. You didn't really want to take you far. You know it makes me wonder. Too many fish in the sea. And then it cracks me under. The death of you and me. You never know until it's over. Message from the heart. And so you need another lover. Just tear it apart. I can't help myself when I see those sorts of bitches going at it everywhere. I turn my
Since you're not watching this, since you're not sitting here, right, and I'm listening to it as a user, I have to say the Marshall is much better with vocals. I won't say it's perfect, but I think it's much more warmer. It's much easier to listen to versus the bass harp, which the Revolve Plus 2 sometimes resorts to.
Feelings are much larger than they may appear.
least that's what I tell myself out of fear. I'll get to know you when we share what we're going through. Look through the looking glass.
Now I'm really curious to see what this does, because this is just my kind of music. A plush melody with some indie sonic, a bit of synth going on. Beautiful summer everlasting melody. Let's play it on this guy.